you are experiencing limited access to Outlook due to security checks, follow these steps to restore full functionality. This guide will help you navigate through the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the AceRock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Update your security information. Log into your Microsoft account and navigate to the security settings. Ensure that your security information, such as recovery email and phone number, is up to date. This will help in future verifications and restore your access. Step 3. Check for suspicious activity. Review your account activity for any suspicious logins or actions. If you notice anything unusual, report it immediately through the security settings. This step is crucial for securing your account and regaining access. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes browser issues can affect access to Outlook. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any potential conflicts. After clearing, restart your browser and attempt to log into Outlook again. Step 5. Contact Microsoft support. If you still cannot regain full access after completing the previous steps, reach out to Microsoft support for assistance. Provide them with details of the issue and any steps you have already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Outlook account. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from support resources.